Hello learners, welcome to SWAM online lecture series on the topic database management system. I am working in the Department of Computer Science since 1989 at Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. I am pleased to have you join me today as we explore the fascinating realm of database and database management system. In the few next minutes, we will journey through the experiment with structure queue language that form the backbone for modern information system, which is database management system. In the last week, we have discussed about how to create database by using MySQL and show databases, use users and describe and how you insert data into database. And also we have discussed about the select statement and update. It means when you want to update data, how you will update and delete. Before discussing about the today's agenda, I would like to answer the questions which I have asked in the previous lecture. The question was to create the following table using the different commands. You have to create a table, name, product, master. Description was used to store product information. The column name was product number, description, profit percentage, unit measure, quantity on hand, reorder level, and sell price and cost price. Already data types also already you have to define variable char, profit percentage, number, and so on. The size also I have given. So here on the screen you can see how you will create in MySQL. I've already explained you have to upload the MySQL on your system. Then you have to write create table, the table name, product master. Within bracket you have to write product number, variable char 6, next column description, variable called 15, profit percent decimal 4,2, unit time measure variable 10, quantity on hand int within bracket 8, comma, reorder level integer within bracket 8, sell price decimal within bracket 8, 2, cost price decimal 8, 2, and close the parenthesis for cost price, and then other parenthesis the whole you have to close. Then you sell. Then you have to write semicolon. When you will press it will show on the screen query OK, 0 affected. Then if you want to see the description, so write this DSC and product master. It will show all the fields, types, null, keys, default, and extra. And the last line will be 8 rows in a set. So in this way, you have created a table by using a create command. So today's agenda, is to discuss is different. Today we'll discuss about the different commands of SQL. Like first will be the alter the table with the primary constraints. So you can alter the table by using primary constraints. Next will be alter table to add a new column. We can add a new column by using alter command. And we can alter the table with a not null value. When you are defining by create command, all the attributes will be not null. For that, you have to make a restriction by using not null value. Then we have to find some queries about by using where clause with like operator, where list the name of employee, list the name of the product which is like operator. By using like operator, you can use it. And also you can use a condition where clause with or operator you can add. Also you can get a result by using and operator. You can define the list. So these are we'll discuss about the 6 command. And next, how to execute. First is alter table to add a new column. How you will add a new column on the existing database. The command syntax is alter table name. It means we have to write alter table name, then add column. Then you have to write column name. Then you have to write data types. Then you have to define a size of a data. Okay, which is when you will press in SQL statement alter table, the client name, client master. It means till now I have developed a client master table. So we want to add some column in client master. So what will be the statement? Alter table, client master, add column, telephone number. Suppose we want to add a telephone number. You have to write telephone number. You have to find the telephone number will be integer, int, and the size will be 20 or 10, whatever. Here I have used 10. When you will press, the message will query OK. Then you have to see whether the column is added on your structure or not. You have to write this DESC and client master. It means you have to write description for table name. When you will enter, it will display all the fields, data types, and the types of data, null or not null, and the key, default, whatever. It will display like like you can see on the screen, and it will write in the last line will be 9 rows in a set. It means by alter table, you can add some new column on the existing database. The next is, if you want to add primary key constraint, if you want to add some constraints on your keys, for that you have to alter. The command syntax is alter table name. You have to write alter table. Okay, table name, add constraint, pk underscore k column and column name. Then you have to write primary key. You can see on the screen. Within bracket, you have to write column name. It means a primary key is like a unique identifier for each record in a table. It ensures that every row in the table has its own special level. So you can easily find and reference a specific information when you need. Just like a fingerprint, it means key constraints is like a fingerprint identify a person. A primary key helps to uniquely identify each piece of data in database. So then we can say primary key. The command we have to write alter table. Then you have to write table name. Here the table name is client master. And we have to add a key constraint. We have to command add add constraints pk underscore client number primary key prime number. Here in database, in client master database, we assume that the primary key is client number. So you have to run. When you will press, it will show the query OK, 6 rows affected. In this way, we can add a primary constraint in the existing table. Then you want to see the result. How you see on the screen whether the primary key constraint has been added or not. Then you have to write a describe table. Command syntax is describe table, or you can write DESC also. Minimum 4 letters you have to type. Describe table. It will show on the screen like that. Here the table name is the client master. We have write this client. It will show all the field name, client number, client name, address 1, address 2, city, pin code, state, and balance due. Okay. Here we have add a primary key. So in key it will write PRI. You can see. And the third column you can say null, but for client number it should say no. It means it is not null. It means the record will not be added till you have to give a prime number, primary key. So primary key, it means client number. If you will not enter the if you will not enter client number, it will not store the row. So here only one attributes we have given, not null, and all are null. So in this way we can see, or we can add a constraint on primary key. The next command is alter table for column modification. Suppose you want to modify some column. So here the provision is that command syntax you can write like that, alter table. Okay, this is the alter table, and then table name. You have to enter table name. Then you want to modify, or you add whatever here you want to modify. To modify column name. Then you have to define the column what you want to add. You have to define the data size, and then you define not null. When you will type in SQL, how you will display on the screen? In MySQL, you write alter table. Here the table name will be the client master, modify column name, varchar 20, and then not null. When you enter, it will query OK. Then you can see on the screen, or you want to see the result, whether not null added to name column or not. For that, you have to use command syntax like a describe table name. When you write this client master, when you write in MySQL, this client master, it will shows a field, type, null, key, default, extra, all the description, and here I have add name not null. See, in the next row, first row is the client number and varchar 20. Okay, it is a primary key and it is not null. Second name which I have added to varchar 20 and it will become not null. It means also when you want to add record in table, at that time you must have to give the name. Otherwise, this record without name record will not be entered. Okay, this is the way you can add name to column. The next is where condition. There are different types of conditions where like operator also is there, or and. So here we'll discuss about the condition with like operator. The command syntax is select a star. If we want asterisk means if we want to see all the attributes, so we have to select a star from table name. You have to specify, then where condition, where column name like char 1, char 2 and 1% and within, and then semicolon. How you write in MySQL? You can see on the screen like that. In MySQL, you have to write or you have to type select name. Only here I want to see the only name. Not if I will write a star, all the attributes will show, but here I want only name. So I have to write select name from that data table is the client master where name like underscore a%. Yeah, right. It means here it will extract the name where second character is a, as we can see here only one underscore before a character. If you have one underscore before character, it will show all the name which start with second character with a. The result will be like that: name Mamta Majumdar, Hansel Kolako. It means the next first is M Mamta, the second is A, so it will show Mamta Majumdar, and H A Hansel Kolako, and all other the name which will not start A with second character, so it will not display. Only two row will be displayed if you write select name from client master where name like underscore a% within apostrophe s. I hope it must be clear. The next command we'll discuss select column 1, column 2 and so many column we want to select from table name where column name like percent character then underscore. What will affect? It will extract the names where the second last character is A. We have to, it will means the last character A should be in the name. In MySQL, we have to write select name from client master where name like post office %A and underscore, then semicolon. It will display all the name which the last character is A. Okay. So in this way, only when Chaya banker, only one name will be displayed on the screen from the 6 rows available in the client master table. In this way, we can, depending on the requirement, we can select the name from the existing table by giving different types of condition by using like. Next, also one command for like, there are different types. If you want to first character, second character, third character, whatever, and the one command is like that. You have to write select a star from table name where condition column name like character percentage, extract only name where starting a character M. Suppose we will give like character percent, not underscore, we will write. So you have to write in MySQL the statement you have to type in such a way that select a star. I want all the attributes of a column. Select a star from client master where city like M%. It means it will display all the name of the city which will start from M. When you will press, it will display like that, client, all the attributes, client number, name, address 1, address 2, city, pin code and state, balance due. All attributes will be displayed when you write a star. If you want to name only one name and city, so you have to, what you write? Select name and city where client master from where city like M%. It will show like that. But here I have used asterisk. Select a star from client master where city like M%. It will show the all the name and the city. You can see the city column Bombay, Madras, Bombay, Bangalore. The city name which start from M. In this way, we can use a like statement, like clause by giving condition. Depending on the requirement, you can select, you can retrieve information from database. It is a very helpful command, and like is a very helpful. So next condition also is there, where condition is OR operator and OR operator. Here the syntax is like that. Select a star from table name. You have to, every time you have to must define the table name. The where condition, column name 1, then you have to insert condition or column name 2 and condition by two condition. It means where, it means column 1 or column 2. By that, if you want to select, you have to write in MySQL, how you will type, select a star from the table name is client master where city is equal to Bangalore or city is equal to Mangalore. It will select all the client, all the name of you can say client who belongs to Bangalore or Mangalore both. When you will press, the result will be like that. client number, client name, address 1, address 2, city, pin code, state, and balance due. Here, the only two city name Bangalore or Mangalore. It means Ashwani Joshi and Deepak Sharma belongs to Bangalore will be displayed. Here we have not entered the address 1 and address 2, so it will display null. But if you will give a restriction dot address 1 will not null, then here we are not able to add a record. We have to enter the address, otherwise this Ashwani will not be recorded. So here by select command, by operator, we can see all the client who living in city Bangalore or Bangalore. So by using select a star from client master where city is equal to Bangalore or city is equal to Mangalore. Okay, we can proceed. The next condition also we have to know the OR. It also play a very vital role in finding a query. The command syntax for that is select a star. Here also I am giving a star. It means all the attributes of column. If you want to know the name, client number and the name, you write select client number and name, client name. But here this is a general statement, general syntax. So here we have used select star from table name where condition column name is equal to condition and column name is equal to conditions. From first column and first column in both, if you have given AND operator, it means both condition must satisfy, then it will display. In OR operator, if any one condition, if one column of condition 1 or condition 2 will apply two condition, here we have to follow two. AND operator must satisfy both condition, otherwise the result will not display. So how you will write in MySQL? Select a star from client master name where city is equal to Mangalore and state is equal to Maharashtra. Here you have to give it two condition. The person, the client who is living in Mangalore, or the state is Maharashtra or Karnataka, whatever. So here I have used Karnataka and Mangalore. Then the result will be displayed like that. Client number C006, name Deepak Sharma, address 1 null, address 2 null, because we are not defined, not null. City Mangalore, pin code 560050, state Karnataka, balance due this one. Here it must display the person who belongs to city and also the state, here Karnataka. I hope you will understand. You can use this query by giving different examples. In the next, in your you can use select name and city, my state 3 column from client master where city is Bangalore and state Maharashtra, whatever. So depending on your requirement, you can select. These are the I have discussed today's agenda. Now we assess your knowledge and track your progress by giving you some thoughtful questions. Today I am giving you one question. Create the following table and perform all the commands to make the interface as per the following table. The answer of your answer will not only enforce your understanding but also help to understand very well. The table name is product master. Here we have given you product. The attributes name is product number, description, profit percent, unit measure, quantity on hand, record reorder level, sell price and cost price. Here the product number is P001. The description is t-shirt. Profit percent is 5. Unit measure is piece. Quantity and hand 200. Reorder level 50. And sell price is 350. Cost price 250. It means when the reorder level 50 means if you have in your shop 50, then you have to order the price. Then the description of products: t-shirt, shirt, cotton jeans, pullover, denim t-shirt, lycra tops and skirts. These are the descriptions and attributes you have to develop, and you have to perform all the command which I have used, which I have discussed today. You have to use command that. As we wrapped up today's lecture, I hope this discussion will be helpful to you, and I have tried by different examples. I hope you enjoyed this exploration. Thank you once again for your active participations, and we feel that your presence for the next lecture will be available. Thank you once again. Wish you a wonderful ahead today.